Here's how to set up your DeskFone Two View for both portrait and landscape modes. Start by removing your DeskFone Two View from the packaging and adjust the phone holder upward by loosening knob 3. Once adjusted to an upright position, tighten knob 3. To view your phone in portrait mode, loosen knob 1 or 2. Slide the holder until the width fits your upright phone. Tighten the knob. To view your phone in landscape mode, loosen both knobs 1 and 2. Slide the holders until the width fits your horizontal phone. Tighten the knobs. Adjust the tilt with knob 3 and DeskFone Two View is ready to use.